Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue of vertical ruler not working in Microsoft Word. In order to do that, I have pasted here a paragraph about the solar system, and I want to lower it down by using the vertical ruler, but as you can see, as soon as I bring my mouse above the ruler, I cannot do anything. It's not responding. I click, I just try to drag and drop it down. Nothing can be done. How to fix that? We are coming to Files from above menu, and after that we are clicking Options from this left section at the bottom, Options, clicking this, and on the opening Options menu we're going to Display, and simply at the very top, as you can see, we have Page Display Options. The option that says Show White Space between pages in print layout view is not checked. We have to check this, checking this and clicking OK. And as you can see at the left side, the vertical ruler now it's responsive and we can drop and drag it wherever we want in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me. I wish you all a very good and healthy new year, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.